Hello, everyone.
Welcome to English in Minutes.
We are so happy you are here with us today.
In this episode, we will talk about one single powerful question.
A question you can use every day with almost anyone.
That question is, how was your day?
This simple question is a key to real conversation.
Please, if you find this helpful, subscribe to our channel.
Click the like button and share this with a friend who is learning.
It truly helps us grow and make more lessons for you.
Today, we will show you why "How was your day" is so useful.
You will hear many examples of how to ask and how to answer.
You will learn new words to describe any kind of day.
And you will feel more confident talking to people in English.
Let's begin with a very basic, very common situation.
Imagine two friends meeting in the evening.
Or two family members talking at the dinner table.
So, I will start. Speaker 1, how was your day today?
It was pretty good, Speaker 2. Thank you for asking.
Pretty good is a very common and positive answer.
Yes, it means better than just okay, but maybe not amazing.
What made it pretty good?
Well, I woke up feeling rested. That was a nice start.
Starting the day with good energy is important.
It really is. Then I had a calm morning with my coffee.
I love quiet mornings. They set a peaceful tone.
Exactly. After that, I had to go to work.
And how was work today?
It was productive. I finished a big report.
Productive is a fantastic word for a busy, useful day.
It means you did a lot of meaningful work.
Finishing a big task always feels satisfying.
It does. I felt a sense of accomplishment.
That's a great feeling. Did anything challenging happen?
Not really challenging, but my computer was slow.
Ooh, slow technology can be a little frustrating.
Yes, it was a bit frustrating, but I stayed patient.
Patience is a good skill for those moments.
After work, I decided to do something nice for myself.
What did you do?
I stopped at a small cafe and read a book for 30 minutes.
That sounds lovely, a perfect little break.
It was. It made the transition from work to home smooth.
So your evening started well.
Yes, then I came home and cooked a simple dinner.
What did you cook?
I made some pasta with vegetables.
Nice and simple. Cooking can be relaxing.
It can be. Now I am here, talking to you.
And I am very glad you are here.
So overall, my day was pretty good, productive, and ended calmly.
That is a successful day in my book.
Now, Speaker 2, it's your turn. How was your day?
My day was interesting. It was different from usual.
Interesting and different. Tell me more.
Well, I had a meeting with people from another country.
Oh, that is interesting. Was it an online meeting?
Yes, it was a video call. It was early in my morning.
How did that go?
It went well. It was a bit difficult to understand every word.
Different accents can be challenging.
They can, but I focused carefully. It was good practice.
That's a positive way to see it.
After that, my normal work felt a little boring.
Really? Why?
The meeting was so new and engaging. My regular tasks felt routine.
Routine means normal, the same as always.
Yes, so my afternoon felt long.
I understand that feeling. Time can move slowly sometimes.
To make it better, I took a walk during my lunch break.
Going outside is a great idea.
It was. The fresh air cleared my mind.
So your afternoon got better?
It did. I listened to some music while I worked.
Music can change your mood.
It really can. By the end of work, I felt cheerful again.
Cheerful means happy and bright.
Yes, then I had a video call with my sister.
That sounds nice. How is she?
She is doing well. We talked for almost an hour.
Talking to family is a wonderful way to end a day.
It is. So my day was interesting, then routine, then cheerful.
A day with different chapters.
Exactly. Not every day is the same.
And that's why we ask the question. Every day has a story.
Now, let's think about other ways to ask this question.
Yes, you don't always have to say, "How was your day?"
You can say, "How did your day go?"
That means the same thing. How did it go?
You can ask, "Did you have a good day?"
That's a more direct yes or no question.
Or you can ask, "What was the best part of your day?"
I love that question. It focuses on the positive.
You can also ask, "How are things going?"
That's more general, not just about today, but it opens the door for someone to talk about their day. So many options. Now let's practice answers.
We gave two examples, pretty good and interesting.
But there are many, many more words for your day.
Let's start with positive words. You can say great.
Great is strong and very positive.
You can say wonderful or fantastic.
Those are for really special, happy days.
Busy is a very common and honest answer.
Yes, it was busy. Everyone understands busy.
Long is another honest one. It was a long day.
That means you feel tired because the day seemed endless.
Productive, like you said, is a positive word for work.
Relaxing is good for a calm day off.
Fun is perfect if you did something enjoyable.
Now, what about not so good days?
It's okay to be honest. You can say tiring.
Or exhausting. That means very, very tiring.
You can say stressful if you had a lot of pressure.
Frustrating is good for days with many small problems.
Difficult or hard are general words for tough days.
Okay or not bad are neutral. Not good, not terrible.
So-so means the same, in the middle.
So you have a full toolbox of words now.
But a one-word answer is just the beginning.
The magic happens when you add one more sentence.
Just one more sentence gives a reason.
For example, my day was great. I finished all my work early.
Or, my day was long. We had back-to-back meetings.
My day was fun. I went to the movies with a friend.
My day was stressful. I had a tight deadline.
See? One word plus one reason.
This is the secret to a good conversation.
Now let's imagine different people and different days.
Let's create more stories, more examples.
Imagine a student. Their day is about school.
So, speaker 1, how was your day at school?
It was really busy, speaker 2. I had 3 exams.
3 exams in one day? That's intense.
It was. My brain feels very full right now.
Which exam was the hardest?
Probably the math exam. The questions were tricky.
But how do you think you did?
I think I did okay. I studied a lot last night.
That's good. You should feel proud of that effort.
Thank you. I'm just glad it's over.
What did you do after the exams?
I met some friends. We talked and laughed.
That sounds like a perfect way to relax.
It was. It made the transition from work to home smooth.
So your evening started well.
Yes, then I came home and cooked a simple dinner.
A balanced day. Now imagine a parent at home.
Speaker 2, how was your day at home?
It was chaotic, but in a good way.
Chaotic means crazy, busy, and noisy.
Yes, my children were full of energy today.
What did you do together?
We played games, we painted, we read stories.
That sounds lovely and active.
It was, but it is also non-stop. You cannot sit down.
I understand. It is constant work.
It is, but seeing them laugh is the best reward.
So it was a tiring but happy day.
That's the perfect way to describe it. Tiring but happy.
Now imagine someone who works in a restaurant.
Speaker 2, how was your day at the restaurant?
It was fast-paced and social.
Fast-paced means everything happens quickly.
Yes, from lunch to dinner, we were moving nonstop.
And social means you talked to many people.
Dozens of people, customers, coworkers, the chefs.
Do you enjoy that?
I do. I like the energy. but my feet hurt at the end.
I can imagine. Standing for many hours is hard.
It is, but the tips were good today.
Oh, that's a nice bonus.
It is. So, a fast-paced, tiring, but successful day.
Great example. Now imagine a day that is not good.
It's important to talk about those days too.
Speaker 2, how was your day? You look a little down.
Honestly, speaker 2, it was a difficult day.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
Not in too much detail, but I had some bad news.
That is always hard. I am here for you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I just feel sad.
That is completely understandable.
I might just watch a quiet movie and go to sleep early.
That sounds like a gentle plan. Be kind to yourself.
Thank you, speaker 2. Sometimes a day is just sad.
And it's okay to say that. It was a sad day.
Or it was a tough day.
Exactly. We don't have to pretend every day is great.
Being real is part of a true conversation.
Now, let's look at the grammar we are using.
When we talk about our day, we use the past tense.
Because the day is finished. It happened in the past.
We use was for the feeling. It was good.
We use past tense verbs for actions. I worked. I walked. I cooked.
We use past tense verbs for actions. I worked. I walked. I cooked.
Let's practice some common past tense verbs. I started my day early.
I had coffee and breakfast.
I drove to work, or I took the bus.
I attended 2 meetings.
I wrote emails all morning.
I ate lunch with a colleague.
I finished my project in the afternoon.
I left work at 5 o'clock.
I exercised at the gym.
I talked to my family on the phone.
I watched a little television.
I read a book before bed.
So many simple, useful past tense sentences.
You can mix and match them to describe your real day.
Now, let's think about asking follow-up questions.
This is how you keep a conversation alive.
After someone says, "My day was busy," you can ask why.
You ask, what kept you so busy?
Or, were you busy with work or something else?
If they say, my day was fun, ask, what did you do for fun?
If they say, "My day was long," ask what made it feel long.
These questions show you're listening.
And they help the other person share more.
You don't need to ask 10 questions, just 1 or 2.
It makes the other person feel heard and valued.
Let's practice a longer conversation with follow-ups.
Speaker 2, how was your weekend day?
It was fantastic, speaker 2, one of the best in a while.
Wow, that's great to hear. What made it so fantastic?
My friends and I took a short trip to the beach.
The beach, that sounds amazing. Was the weather nice?
Perfect. It was sunny and warm, but not too hot.
What did you do there all day?
We walked on the sand, we swam in the water, and we just talked.
That sounds incredibly relaxing.
It was. We also ate fresh seafood at a small restaurant.
My mouth is watering. That sounds delicious.
It was. The whole day felt like a mini vacation.
I'm so glad you had that. We all need days like that.
We really do. It recharges your energy.
Did you take any photos?
So many photos. The sunset over the water was beautiful.
I can imagine. Days like that create wonderful memories.
They do. I will remember this day for a long time.
Thank you for sharing that happy story.
Of course, it's nice to talk about good things.
Now, a different scenario. A more normal, mixed day.
Speaker 2, how was your Monday?
It was a real mix, Speaker 1. Some good, some annoying.
A mixed bag. Tell me about the good part first.
The good part was my first task. I solved a problem quickly.
That's a great way to start the week, feeling capable.
Yes, it gave me confidence, but then the annoying part.
What happened?
My internet connection was unstable for 2 hours.
Oh no, that is so frustrating for work.
It was. I couldn't join a call properly. I felt embarrassed.
Technology problems are never your fault, but they feel bad.
They do. I had to apologize and reschedule.
How did you fix it?
I finally called the internet company. They fixed it remotely.
So it worked out in the end.
It did. The afternoon was much smoother.
So a day that started well, had a big problem, and then recovered.
That's a perfect summary. Most days are like that. Not perfect, but not terrible. Just real life.
And real life is what we talk about.
Now, let's think about culture. Is this question used everywhere?
How was your day is very common in many English-speaking places.
In the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, people ask this.
It is a standard greeting with friends, family, and even coworkers.
But in some other cultures, people might ask different questions first.
They might ask about your family or your health or the weather.
So if you use "How was your day" in an English context, it is natural.
And if someone asks you, they're being friendly.
They are starting a conversation, not just being polite.
So you should try to give a real answer, not just fine thanks.
Even a short, real answer is better.
Now let's practice some very short, quick exchanges.
Like you might have with a neighbor or a cashier you know. "Hey, speaker 2, how was your day?"
Not bad, busy with the garden. Yours?
"Pretty quiet, thanks. Just some cleaning. Have a good one."
Short, friendly, and connected.
Or with a coworker at the end of the day.
How did your day go, speaker 1?
Long meetings, but productive. Ready to go home.
Tell me about it. See you tomorrow.
These small talks build relationships.
They do. They make you feel part of a community.
Now, a challenge for our listeners.
Tonight or tomorrow, ask one person this question in English.
It could be a friend, a language partner, or even say it to yourself.
Ask, how was your day?
And try to answer with one descriptive word and one reason.
For example, it was peaceful. I spent an hour reading.
Or, it was hectic. I had to run many errands.
Hectic is another great word for very, very busy.
Practice saying it. Write it down first if you need to.
The goal is to make this question and answer feel automatic.
To own it. To make it part of your daily English.
Now, let's do a final, detailed story. A full, rich day.
Speaker 2, describe a day from beginning to end.
Okay, my day started before sunrise. I woke up at 5:30.
That is early. Why so early?
I couldn't sleep. My mind was active, so I decided to get up.
What did you do in the quiet early morning?
I made tea and sat by the window. I watched the sky get light.
That sounds very peaceful and thoughtful.
It was. I wrote in my journal for a while, just my thoughts.
A perfect calm start. Then what?
Then I went for a run as the sun came up.
Exercise in the morning is so energizing.
It is. I felt strong and awake. After my run, I showered and got ready.
And then work began.
Yes, I had a full schedule of video calls starting at 9 a.m.
How were the calls?
The first few were routine, updates and planning.
And the later ones?
One was a brainstorming session. That was creative and fun.
I like those kind of meetings. They generate ideas.
Me too. We came up with a great new plan.
That must feel satisfying.
It does. I felt a real sense of teamwork.
What about lunch?
I ate lunch at my desk while reading the news, a quick break.
The afternoon?
The afternoon was for focused work, no meetings.
Your favorite kind of afternoon.
Exactly. I put on headphones and wrote a long article.
Deep work. Time flies when you do that.
It really did. Suddenly, it was 5 p.m.
A successful workday. How did you transition to evening?
I closed my computer and went straight to the kitchen.
To cook?
To bake, actually. I felt like making bread.
From scratch. That's a project.
It is. Measuring, mixing, kneading the dough, it's physical and calming.
And your house must have smelled wonderful.
It did. While the bread was rising, I called my parents.
A good time for a chat.
Yes, we talked for 30 minutes. They're doing well.
Then the bread baked.
Yes, I ate a warm piece with soup for dinner. Simple and perfect.
That sounds like the ideal homemade meal.
It was. After cleaning up, I